Yes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, dear Infinity Exchange community members. Welcome to the live broadcast of the Infinity Exchange Academy inauguration ceremony and signing ceremony of instructor Daniel Ang. I'm your host, Sheikh from Malaysia, and I am truly honored to join you all in witnessing this meaningful moment. Today's event marks another significant milestone in the Infinity Exchange ecosystem. With the official establishment of our academy, we aim to provide more professional knowledge and extensive learning resources to help every community member achieve substantial growth and breakthrough on their investment journey. At the same time, we are delighted to welcome renowned financial expert Mr. Daniel Ang from Singapore. As the Dean of our Academy, his rich experience and esteemed reputation in the industry will undoubtedly bring a high level of authority and practicality to our Academy. Now, let me briefly introduce today's agenda. Shortly, we will formally introduce Instructor Daniel Ang, followed by an in-depth discussion of the future development direction of both the Academy and Infinity Exchange. The highlight of the day will be the official signing ceremony. Of course, we haven't forgotten to include an interactive Q&A and a raffle with exciting rewards waiting for you. Today's event is packed with valuable content, so be sure to stay until the end and actively share this live broadcast. Don't miss out on the generous rewards we have prepared for our community members. Before we officially begin, let me briefly introduce today's live event. We have prepared an interactive quiz and raffle for those who share the broadcast. So please share the broadcast. Viewers who answer questions correctly or share the live broadcast will have the chance to win airdrop awards from Infinity Exchange. We hope everyone actively participates to enhance interaction and make this event even more vibrant and exciting. Now, I'd like to introduce today's distinguished guest, the Dean of our Academy, Instructor Daniel Ang. Thank you, sir. Now it is my great honor to introduce the first instructor of our Academy, Mr. Daniel Ang. Mr. Ang is a seasoned expert with over 30 years of experience in the financial industry, particularly in forex and commodity futures trading. Since he entered the market in 1985, he has consistently been at the forefront of financial trading. He has held senior positions in several internationally renowned financial institutions, including global giants like Standard Chartered Bank. Mr. Ang is not only a successful trader, but also an outstanding mentor. In 2012, he founded Traders Academy International in Singapore, dedicated to helping thousands of investors master trading skills, and guiding them forward financial freedom. He was also appointed by the Chicago Mercantile Exchange Group as an independent lecturer for the Asia-Pacific region, highlighting the quality and impact of his teaching. During the pandemic, Mr. Ang used his time to write and publish his first book, The Accidental Trader, which can be found in bookstores across Singapore and also Malaysia. This book is valuable for both novice investors and professionals alike. In short, Mr. Ang is a practical expert who seamlessly integrates financial market theory with hands-on experience. His involvement will bring unparalleled value to the Infinity Exchange Academy. We eagerly look forward to seeing our community members gain more comprehensive knowledge and growth on their investment journey under his guidance. Let us warmly welcome Instructor Daniel Ang.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon. I didn't know I had to give you a speech today. But anyway, my name is Daniel Ang. I'm from Singapore. I have been in the business since 1985. That makes me almost 40 years in the business. And this is about the only thing I know how to do. And I've been doing it for, like I say, almost 40 years. And over the years, I started off as a commodity broker. And quickly, I moved on to trading the equity index futures. And I make my first pot of gold in 1987 when there was the first global contingent called Black Monday, in which global equity markets collapsed and happened to be short selling the Hang Seng Index futures. And that started a journey that lasts to these days. And over the years, I have evolved and I have been very much involved in the growth of the financial business in Singapore. From the growth of the exchange to until I leave the industry back in 2006. Now I'm a full-time trader, and I have also been actively in the speaking circuit. Every single month you will see me online, either speaking for one of the brokers in Malaysia or some of the FX brokers as an independent speaker. Now, I want to bring something to you. This year has been very, very interesting. This year has seen the explosion of a trend towards tokenization of assets. And you may ask, what is exactly tokenization of asset? Now, let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, in Asia, we have seen some prolific actors. Somebody like Andy Lau, for example. And let's say he wants to make a movie. Imagine you can be part of this movie project by investing a small amount and then get involved in the creation, marketing, and commercialization of this project, and also share in the profit among all stakeholders at the end of the day. So this is a very basic concept of tokenization of asset. Now, tokenization of asset is something that is growing this year, especially among legacy financial institutions. Okay, for example, any kind of asset can be tokenized, whether it's real estate, whether it's bond, whether it is stock, whether it's commodities, or even cash can be tokenized. So what does it mean? It means that once an asset has been tokenized, it can be cut into values in terms of a digital token, which can be bought and sold, held and traded on an organized blockchain network. This is something that you want to be aware of because all the major financial institutions is pivoting towards this major trend here. So will it have anything to do with you? I think it will have a big impact. So we want to get ready for the tokenization of every real world asset. Okay? So this is something that I want to talk about because this is a fast growing sector. Now, according to McKinsey, a global management consulting companies estimated that the tokenized asset is going to be worth $2 trillion by 2030. Now, there are some who are even more optimistic, saying that tokenized asset will account for $4 trillion by then. So we are at the very early stage, okay? And we want to be able to take advantage of this because most of the financial institutions are already pivoting. As it is right now, every month we can see the market cap for tokenized asset is in the trillions of dollars. So companies are already doing that. If you are aware of the banks in Singapore, okay, they are already moving towards tokenization of real-world assets. Okay, so this is something that I think we want to be aware of, and over the next few months and years, I hope to be able to bring more light into this for you, okay? Because when we look at the world, we cannot look at the world from a very, very straightforward manner, because the world is very dynamic. We all know this week, Trump has re-won the election. So his election, this victory will have immense impact on all financial assets across the world. We have saw how Bitcoin has gone to new high. We have saw stock market in the US gone to new high. We also saw gold collapse. So all these are interconnected, but you've got to be aware where to money. Because one event, okay, like Trump's victory in the most recent presidential election can cause everything to move. So when you are investing, you've got to have a broader global view so that you know where to put your money. If you are into foreign exchange, you will notice the very day before the announcement of his victory, the dollar went up like a rocket. But the following day, it came back down. Okay? So all these are something that you have to be aware. Why is the dollar going up? And why is it coming down straight away after that? Okay? All these are things that you want to be aware of when you are investing. Okay? You may say that, okay, the dollar has nothing to do with me because I stay in Malaysia, I only use ringgit. But you also notice that the ringgit has been very volatile these last few days. Okay? So these are things that I hope to be able to bring to your attention in our weekly or monthly lessons. For example, I will be talking about the macro and how to link the macro to the market and how to trade the various markets. This is something that I've been doing all my life, and I think I will be in very familiar waters, and I hope to be able to share with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Daniel Ang. Thank you, sir. You are really an inspiration. Instructor Daniel, for your inspiring speech. Thank you so much. It's clear that the future of the Infinity Exchange Academy will play a pivotal role within the Infinity Exchange ecosystem. The establishment of the Infinity Exchange Academy is not only about imparting knowledge, but also about helping each member find their own opportunities in this ever-evolving financial world. I believe that is what our academy is all about. The academy will focus on financial market education, covering digital assets, real-world assets, and various investment theories. Through the academy's professional guidance, especially Mr. Daniel Ang, we aim to enhance everyone's investment knowledge, improve risk management skills, and empower each member to reach their potential in the digital economy era. In the future, the Academy will also introduce more online courses and offline events to provide a more comprehensive and structured learning experience. Now we come to the highlight of today's event, the signing ceremony of the Memorandum of Understanding. This memorandum marks the official partnership between Infinity Exchange and instructor Daniel Ang, laying a solid foundation for the establishment and growth of the Infinity Exchange Academy. This collaboration will not only elevate the professional standards of our academy, but also bring abundant learning opportunities and expert guidance to our community members. Next, let us welcome Infinity Exchange CEO, Mr. Daniel Tu, and Mr. Daniel Ang to the stage to jointly sign this memorandum, ushering in a new chapter for the future of the Infinity Exchange Academy. Let's celebrate and witness this historic moment together by filling the comment section with virtual flowers. This for our live viewers. Please fill the comment section with virtual flowers. Please, Mr. CEO and also Mr. Daniel Ang to this stage. With the signing ceremony is concluded, we would like to have a photograph session with Mr. Daniel Ang and also our CEO, Mr. Daniel To. Please, for the photographic session. Thank you, Mr. Daniel Tu and Mr. Daniel Ang. Okay, with the signing ceremony successfully completed, the next segment adds another layer of significance to our event. We are honored to introduce two key partners of the Infinity Exchange platform, Tickmill and Mitrade. Both companies are leading brokers with years of experience and outstanding reputations in the Forex market. Providing Infinity Exchange with professional Forex codes and trading support. Known for their excellent service and reliable market codes, Tickmill and Mitrade bring strong industry resources and technical expertise, consistently committed to providing investors with an efficient and stable trading environment. Now we invite representatives from these esteemed companies to join us on stage and formally sign the momentum of understanding, marking the beginning of this important partnership. First, let's welcome Mr. William from Tickmill to join our CEO, Mr. David Chu, on stage for the MOU signing. A round of applause, please. Thank you, Mr. David Tu and Mr. William from TechMail. Now we would like to have a photograph session, please. Thank you. Round of applause, please. Mr. CEO, Mr. David Tu, please stay on stage because we have another signing ceremony. Next, we invite Mr. Cooper from Mitrade to join our CEO on stage for the MOU signing. Please give them another warm round of applause. Thank you, Mr. David Tu. Thank you, Mr. Cooper. Photograph session, please. Thank you. This collaboration will further enhance the Forex trading experience on the Infinity Exchange platform. With such trusted partners, our academy and trading platform will offer a more comprehensive trading and learning environment, supporting every user in progressing steadily within the market. All right, dear community members, we are now entering the most anticipated part of the event, the interactive quiz and raffle. I will ask 3 questions and please respond quickly in the comment section across the platforms. The first 5 correct answers for each question will receive an airdrop reward from Infinity Exchange. After the event, our customer support team will contact the winners. Good luck to everyone, and let's get started. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, question 1. Are you ready? What is the main focus of the Infinity Exchange platform's ecosystem track? I repeat, what is the main focus of the Infinity Exchange platform's ecosystem track? That is question 1. Question 2. Are you ready for question number 2? Have you got the answer for question number 1? All right. Who is the Dean of the Infinity Exchange Academy? Who is the Dean of the Infinity Exchange Academy? Do it quick because you want airdrops, right? You will be getting free airdrops right now. Question 3. What important department was established by Infinity Exchange today? I repeat, what important department was established by Infinity Exchange today? Please submit your answer in the comment section. And remember, the first 5 correct answers for each question will win an airdrop reward. Good luck to everyone. As today's signing ceremony and academy inauguration event draws to a close, we want to thank each and every member of our global community for your enthusiastic participation, and extend a special thanks to instructor Daniel for being here with us. Today we witness the establishment of the Infinity Exchange Academy and the beginning of a new chapter for it. On the screen we have displayed a QR code. Scan it to follow us on social media and receive the latest updates about Infinity Exchange. The list of winners will be announced later. Infinity Exchange social platform. Let us move forward together, witnessing the growth of Infinity Exchange and achieving our shared vision. Thank you all once again for joining us, and look forward to seeing you at future events. Wishing everyone a wonderful day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Mr. David.